Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get anime filter on Snapchat. So as you can see, we're on the camera page of the Snapchat app. First of all, you'll want to click the smiley face that's on the right hand side of the circle at the bottom there. That will bring up effects. Then you'll want to click the bottom right hand corner where it says explore. Then you might want to OK on that. Then you'll want to go ahead and type in anime style. So there's the one at the top there in the lenses. Go ahead and click on anime style there. Then what you'll want to do is to show your face on screen. Then it will add the anime filter to your face. You can also click camera roll and it will apply the anime filter to the picture that you pick from your camera roll there. So that's how you do it. There's a link on screen to see how to do it on TikTok and Instagram to get you on the stories there. And also there's going to be a link to show you different things that you can do on Snapchat. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.